In last video, our use case was just using the if else condition based on the single element of the JSON request body on HTTP request and send the response back. But today we are going to make it little extra. We are going to see how to use the array and iterate over that. So we can at least go one step further from if condition to the array here. Okay. So for that, I'm going to delete this entire condition. I can reuse it, but my use case is also simple here. So first we need to initialize some variables so we can store the result. For that, I'm going to initialize variable, and I'm thinking the variable name is results. But what is our use case is return the HTTP response. So I'm not going to initialize anything. After that, let's go for the for each loop. Okay, what is going to loop it? It's going to loop on entire HTTP body. Now you can see in the pipeline what are the things available: HTTP body, header parameter, and the new element is array. So I select the body. Okay, I got the body. Now it's going to iterate on that body. Let's go with the if else condition. Okay, if condition is true, go here, false here. And what is the condition? It our input will be the all the error code and their status in the array. So we want to see if the status is success, then return the response. So now you see here, now it's went one step further and is telling, okay, I'm iterating on the one item. Suppose you are in the array and now you are on the current item. Select the current item. What we want to see is if current item is the JSON key as a status. Okay, pick the value of that one and see if it is success. Save it. If it is success, then do what? Then we need to store that first element, means entire single element of the success status code, all this thing in somewhere. That's why we initialize the variable earlier, so we can store in, we need to use the set variable here, so we can set the okay. What we can set here is, but what is the value? That's an interesting point. So, and again, it's a current element we want to store. So current element, simple. In the false, we don't want to do anything. We just want to send back the success response. And at last, our response. Okay, what should be our response? So our response should be, we already stored the value in the results variable, so our response should be result variable. This looks good. Time to test. So you see the flow again. Now duplicate this one so we can run it. Run with payload. I have a payload with me. We can use that one. Okay, run it. I got null. Okay, it means it did not go in the true. Let's see the how it worked. Go in the monitorings. Workflow, run history, 445 succeed. Okay, let's see how it ran. Okay, so first time It's still running or what? Okay. First time it go here, second time, third time, still running. Oh, it never go in the true because it there was a 5 element in that. If you see, there were 5 element. It ran for all. That's what you can see the entries here. But it never went to true. Why? Okay. See the output input. Sorry, I think it's slow today. I run detail. Oh, let me go back. Okay. First time it didn't go in the true. Second time, third time, fourth time, it never went in the true. So let's see what was there. Okay, entire body came, and first time it should iterate for the false, so it was not success. Second time, let's see what came here. Oh, but we did not set anything. That's fine. So looks like it never went for the true. Let's see what is wrong. Okay, let me go in the condition. Oh, I think it was S capital. Save it, run it. Okay, run it again. We already have a payload, so simple. Hit it again. Now you see it went in the true. Go and see the history. Refresh it. Yeah, you see first iteration went here. We got the response, but it never go in this third and fourth time. So this is the way we can work on the loop here.